Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am at my favorite nursery, Johnson Nursery and Garden Center here in Willard, North Carolina. I am doing some fall plant shopping, of course, but I'm also here to pick up my bulbs and wanted to give you guys a bunch of information about the upcoming Bulb Bazaar, which is this Saturday, November 11th, and also give you a heads up on their amazing light display that will be starting for the holiday season. Johnson Nursery always has the best plants. This is why I drive an hour and a half down here, because you have everything that I want. Particularly, my favorite things are the violas. They just do so well all winter long. And well, violas, mustards, snapdragons, kales, cabbages, you've got everything that I need. One-stop shop. So of course, Johnson Nursery, the Gardens of Southeastern North Carolina, is who I coordinate with doing the grain events every year. And David just told me that the farmer is getting ready to get the grains planted for another season. So we'll be offering those experiences again in June of 2024. And of course, I just think this place is so remarkable. You know, we first met in summer of 2021, and the gardens were really just like a daydream of David Johnson at that time. And I cannot believe what they have accomplished in such a short amount of time and what they continue to do with all of the different programming that they're offering. And well, this is my first Bulb Bazaar, and unfortunately I can't be here for the day of it, which is this coming Saturday, November 11th. But I pre-ordered my bulbs, so very excited to pick those up. And the Christmas light display, I just am over the moon excited to be able to experience. We're going to be down here on the Saturday after Thanksgiving, but the light display starts, I believe, November 18th. And well, you can see behind me, they are already getting things set up. And of course, this is the plant palette that I am so inspired by for the winter time. I love this Swiss chard and these viola mixes together. I definitely would like to recreate this at my house. And then you can see this really dynamic display with the mustard and then the purple and yellow viola. This is another plant palette that I would like to recreate. And of course, I am buying some of all of this while I'm here today. And before I go into the tent of magic, I want to do a quick walkthrough in the gardens. Again, you can see they're making lots of progress getting ready for the light display, which I believe some of it is walking, some of it is riding on trailers. And, you know, remember, these gardens are really like a year old. And the displays are so remarkable. They're representative of what they grow in their wholesale nursery production lines. So a lot of proven winners plants. It's a great place to be able to see how plants perform here in the very hot, humid Southeast. You know, we're only about a half an hour from Wilmington, and you know, this is a difficult climate, especially in the summer. But you can see there's tons of plants that do exceptionally well. And you know, they've had a hard frost just like I did last week, but you can see the gardens look fantastic, totally unscathed from that cold weather. Shout out about this here azalea, Perfecto Mundo, double purple. Looking really nice. Lots of flowers on it. There's a lot of plants in here that what I appreciate is everything is well labeled. So if you're curious about what a plant is, they have QR codes for everything. And those QR codes, of course, lead to plant descriptions. And, you know, look at, here's the Evercolor Everglow Carex along the edge. You can just go right up to that. And that QR code will give you all the information you need. In many ways, this garden is sort of ahead of a lot of public gardens with the ability to access information efficiently. I just cannot believe how much progress they've made in such a short period of time. It shows that when you set a goal and you're determined, that you really can, you know, reach it and exceed it. And that's certainly what David Johnson and his entire team has accomplished here. Boy, another plant highlight here. This is Pegasus begonia. That is amazing. You can see it got a little nipped from the cold last week, but for the most part, it's doing very well. You can see it's under a nice native beech tree, looking beautiful. Wow, I need to get that plant.
Southern Lights.
Southern Lights.
Here it is.
This is amazing.
And this place is lit up. It's pretty cool.
I believe it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so dynamic, even not lit up.
So we've got Jimmy's tree is a showcase, but behind it, we've got a maze, which for our preview night, the maze was where the kids hung out. It's a maze made out of old wooden pallets. Anyway.
So that's what is back there.
That's the white thing. It's a
That's
maze.
super cool. Okay.
4 feet or under to go through the maze, or you can see over the.
Oh, okay. 4 feet or under. That's perfect.
And then there's fire pits, s'mores. You can have a Santa Claus house.
I mean, I just can't believe all the seating areas and selfie stations. This is the coolest.
We'll see. We need people to come, right? If you build it, they will come.
Be here or be square, right?
Well, thank you for being here.
Hey, it's my pleasure. I can't wait to be here for the light show.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Annie Johnson, representing the Gardens of Southeastern North Carolina, and we're having our first ever holiday light show called the Southern Lights. It begins next Saturday, which we're so excited for. So November 18th, it runs up until December 23rd every weekend. We'll have lights, fire pits, s'mores, hot chocolate, cash bar, specialty cocktail drinks, wood-fired pizza. Like, what more could you ask for the holiday season? So come on out and join us.
I'm coming twice.
Ah, she's coming twice.
Hello everyone, come Saturday to the Bulb Bazaar. Hope to see you there.
And you can see everything is set up, and they have the best selection of bulbs, tulips, daffodils, leucojum, hyacinths. You just do a pan of, oh my gosh, all the different varieties. Saturday is going to be awesome. I wish I could be here on Saturday, but that's why I'm here early, to give you guys a sneak peek. Really, I think this is one of the most creative and useful ideas for gardeners who want to grow bulbs. You're not going to find a better selection anywhere, live and in person, so that you can shop, you can experience the beautiful gardens, and hopefully you will then be motivated to come back for the holiday light show that begins on November 18th. Look everybody, they've got Allium Schubertii. Oh, how exciting, a whole bunch of them. This is my favorite allium of all time. Well, I think it goes without saying, I adore everyone here at Johnson Nursery and at the Gardens of Southeastern North Carolina. It's been such a pleasure over the last few years to work with them with the grain events and watch them grow this vision into something that is so remarkable. And I sincerely hope that you will plan to attend one of their events at some point and support this great organization. Come down on Saturday for the Ball Bazaar and mark your calendars and come on a weekend starting November 18th for their holiday light show. And of course, I will keep you in the loop as we continue to make plans for the 2024 Field to Oven grain experiences. Well, as always, everyone, thanks so much for watching and happy gardening.